Alright, so welcome back. What we're going to end up doing today is we're going to look at the OpenClaw dashboard, and we're going to install new models here that our dashboards can use in our chat. Okay, so what we end up wanting to do is go to our OpenClaw box. I'm already SSH'd into mine. And then we are going to want to see what models are available. So I can do OpenClaw. And then I can do models list, and we'll give it a second, and then this is going to give us all the models that OpenClaw can see. So right now we have the Nematron, we have the Gemma 4, we have the Qwen, we have DeepSeek Coder, and we got GPT-OSS. Okay, so if I want to use one of those, how do I use those? So let's say that I want to use this GPT OSS one. Okay, so what I'll end up doing is I'd say OpenClaw, and then I'll do models, and then I want to set the model, and then it's Ollama, and then it's the /GPT-OSS, and then it's 20B. Okay, and then I run that, and that's going to set the GPT OSS 20B as my default. Okay, so now I go back to OpenClaw, and if I hit it, you're like, well, wait a minute, I don't see the OSS. Well, we're going to go up here and we're going to refresh the screen. And then there it is right there, the GPT OSS 20B. So adding new models is really as simple as that. Okay, so we have the GPT OSS 20B as the default. So I'm just going to select that, and then I'm going to say, provide me a poem of like and subscribe for YouTube, and hit the notification bell. Okay, so I'll type that in, and then just to show you that it works, it will write me a little poem using the GPT OSS 20B model, and you can tell it's working because it's in progress. And then here's a channel's call. It says, when the lights go down, the screen goes bright, a spark of sound and fleeting sight. Hold your breath, let your story unfurl, then tap that heart, give it a whirl. Click like and let your cheers ring clear. Share the joy, spread it far and near. Press subscribe, a simple click. You're part of this journey, a loyal click. And don't forget the notification bell. It rings like a promise, a friendly spell. When new adventures begin to rise, you'll know instantly with a quick surprise. So rise with us, keep the channel alive, together we'll thrive. Let the waves and viewership thrive. It's pretty catchy. So let's look at this, and let's say that I want Gemma 4 to be my default. How would I do that? Okay, so the easiest way is we can actually go back to our shell here, and this is where I'm logged into my OpenClaw box through SSH. And what I'll end up doing, I'll just run the OpenClaw model list, and I'll get a copy of all the models again like we did before. And then all I would have to do is set the new model, and what do we say? We said Gemma 4. So we'll do Gemma 4, and that's right there, it's Gemma 4. So we'll just hit enter. And now we have Gemma 4 configured. Okay, so the same thing, we look at it, we still have that default GPT, and you're like, wait a minute, I did the default Gemma 4. Same thing, we just come up here and we hit refresh, and now the default is Gemma. So now we have that default Gemma 4, and actually working with different models is really as simple as that. Okay, so there's one last thing I wanted to show you. If you go into your terminal and you go to your OpenClaw JSON, What you can do is when you have your different models, like for example, I have Sparky CEO, and I want him to use the Neutron 3 Super, okay? And then if we go down here, the infrastructure, I can assign him the Ollama Qwen 3.5 model. So I just put in the model, and I put in the colon, and I put in the Ollama model that I want that agent to use. And if I go down to OpenClaw Specialist, same thing, using the Ollama Qwen 3 coder next. So each agent is using a different model. So all you got to do is just edit your file and put the model in that you want to default to your agent, and you'll be able to select that. But by default, it would be that model. So once you change that model in the JSON file, you'll just restart your gateway, and then you can come back over here and just hit New Session. And see, I have Sparky, and he defaults to the Neutron. And if I go to Scraplord, it's the Qwen 3.5. And then if I go to my OpenClaw Specialist, it's that coder next. So we have everything, set up the way that we're supposed to. So again, it doesn't get any simpler than that. Till next time.